Trust me, this one is very special. Perfect for first-time home buyer. Close to all the amenities, you name it. Walmart, Starbucks, banks. 2 minutes, just 2 minutes walk to a school and this huge parkade. You don't want to miss our another premium listing, Townhome 3465 Brickyard in the North Brampton community. Before we go upstairs, let's appreciate the beauty of this family space. Why it's so special? Because it have 2 big windows and plus this cozy fireplace. And the most important thing is, it's totally separated from your kitchen and dining space. In this price range, it's hard to get that separation in today's market. As we move out of this family area, I just want to mention that this home have very big closets which provides you an opportunity and give you extra storage space. Next to this, we have a colorful and vibrant powder room. Before talking about this amazing kitchen, why not we directly go into the dining space? This area is very special. Why? Because it provides energy and lot of natural light because of this big window in the morning. You can always enjoy your calmful morning with a cup of tea. Here comes the heart of this home. Yes, it's this beautiful kitchen. You don't want to miss this black quartz countertop. And I forgot to mention that whole kitchen have white tiles, which gives the vibration to this place. And the important thing is this kitchen have all the precious kitchen stainless steel appliances. I really like the structure of this fridge and it gives the separation for storage and a freezer. One of my friend, he really liked the food cooked on a gas stove. Oh, let me turn it off. Why? Because Mr. Rabbit ears are already going up. Sorry for that. The best part about this kitchen is the combination. It's like these subway tiles, which gives you a white vibration and energy. It goes very well with the contrasting color of this quartz countertop. And further, we have these white color cabinets. And I really enjoy that. It gives a lot of storage because it's a very spacious kitchen for a family. Let's go upstairs. Oh, I forgot. Before going to the second floor, we are missing the most important part, the walkout basement in this unit. Let's go downstairs and feel the coziness of that basement. As the spring is coming up, I don't want to miss an opportunity to show you this wonderful wooden deck, and it gives you a lot of privacy because you have a green space plus a sitting space on the back of your townhome. Now let's enter the walkout basement. This basement gives a lot of opportunities because this can be used as work from home office space or as a kids play area. Further, you can use this as an man cave for your weekend chill parties. In case you have any allergies to carpet, this home is carpet free because you have laminate floors throughout. And this place has single car garage, separate entry to this basement, giving you an opportunity for a secret door. Finally, we are going to the second floor. It comes with spacious 3 bedrooms. Why not start with our primary suite? This primary suites come with Mr. Pug. Hello. Say hello to everyone. This is very spacious for a family. Big windows, lot of light coming in, and further it have direct access to what? Washroom. I really like the color combination of this home. You have quartz countertop vanities. It's a 3-piece washroom. Everything is so organized. You can see the space is fully utilized. Next to this primary bedroom, we have 2 decent sized bedrooms which can be used as like a kid bedroom or your parents' home or a guest room. The point is, it's very spacious. Listen guys, if you are in the market and struggling to find a beautiful townhome in the premium community and the most important thing, in your budget, you don't want to miss this listing. And also don't forget to press the thumb up and subscribe to our channel, because in this spring season we are coming with lot of listing only for you.